Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen gadget that promises versatility and convenience for anyone looking to simplify their cooking, especially in smaller spaces or for those on the go. We're talking about the Audecook electric hot pot with steamer, a 1.5-liter portable non-stick cooker designed for everything from ramen to steak. First impressions matter, and this little unit certainly has a certain appeal. It's marketed as compact and portable, and that's immediately apparent. The 1.5-liter capacity is ideal for singles, couples, or even small families who don't need a full-sized stovetop for every meal. The thought behind its design is clear: to replace a multitude of single-purpose appliances. It's positioned as a space saver for kitchens, offices, dorm rooms, apartments, hotels, and even for travel companions like RVs and camping trips. Its elegant look and unique design also aim to make it a thoughtful gift. Let's talk about performance. The Audecook electric cooker boasts 360-degree round embedded heating element technology, designed for even and rapid heating. This is crucial for any electric cooker, as inconsistent heat can lead to unevenly cooked food. The claim of finishing heating faster than ordinary pots is a strong one, and we'll be looking to see if it lives up to that. Safety is also a paramount concern, and this cooker includes an automatic power cutoff feature for dry burn or overheating conditions, which provides a significant peace of mind, especially when you're not constantly hovering over it. The multifunctionality is where this device truly shines. It's not just a hot pot, it's presented as a wok, a quick cooker, and a steamer. This means you can tackle a wide range of dishes, from searing steaks and frying eggs to cooking ramen, oatmeal, and simmering soups. It's even suggested for reheating leftovers, making it an all-in-one solution for daily meals. A particularly interesting feature is the included stainless steel steamer plate, which allows for simultaneous cooking of soup and steaming, say, meat or vegetables, a clever way to save time and combine meals. Ease of use and maintenance are often deal-breakers, and Audecook seems to have addressed this. The interior features a non-stick coating, which is essential for preventing food from sticking and, more importantly, for easy cleanup. Nobody wants to spend ages scrubbing a pot after a quick meal. The ergonomically designed wooden handle aims to provide a safe, firm, and comfortable grip, which is a thoughtful touch, especially when dealing with hot liquids. The heat-resistant glass lid with a steam vent allows for easy monitoring of your food and controlled release of steam. Now, let's get to the heart of its adaptability: the adjustable temperature control. This multi-cooker offers dual power options, 375 watts and 750 watts. This flexibility is key. The lower 375W setting is suitable for gentler cooking like making eggs, oatmeal, or simmering soups where you don't need intense heat. The higher 750W setting is for when you need to get things done faster, like steaming seafood, searing steaks, or boiling noodles. This dual power system allows you to tailor the heat to your specific culinary needs, making it more than just a simple on-off cooker. So, what are the pros and cons of the Audecook electric hot pot with steamer? On the positive side, its compact and portable design is a major win for small living spaces and travel. The multifunctionality, from steaming to searing, offers incredible versatility for its size. The rapid heating and safety features are reassuring. The non-stick coating and ergonomic handle contribute to a user-friendly experience. And that dual power control really opens up a lot of cooking possibilities. However, there are a few considerations. The 1.5-liter capacity, while great for portability, might be too small for larger families or for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously if you're not using the steamer insert. While it's designed for a variety of cooking tasks, it's important to manage expectations. It won't replace a full-sized stove for complex recipes or large-scale cooking. The effectiveness of searing a steak, for instance, will likely be different from a very hot cast iron pan. Cleaning a non-stick surface is generally easy, but the nooks and crannies around heating elements can sometimes be trickier to access. In conclusion, the Audecook electric hot pot with steamer is a compelling option for anyone seeking a compact, versatile, and safe cooking appliance. It's a fantastic choice for dorm rooms, small apartments, office lunches, or even as a supplementary cooker for those who enjoy dabbling in various cuisines without the hassle of multiple pots and pans. The ability to steam and cook simultaneously, combined with adjustable power settings, makes it surprisingly capable for its size. If you're looking for convenience and a wide range of culinary possibilities in a small package, this Audecook cooker is definitely worth a look. Link in the description.